Hi everybody, it's Dr. Palmer. I wanted to go over a couple of things with you. Let me get this in student mode. Okay, just as a reminder, you have let me exit out of here. You have your midterm exam or exam 1, which is going to be opened at 5 a.m. on March the 20th, and it will close on 11:59 p.m. March 21st. So just to kind of double check, March the 20th is on a Friday. So it'll open at 5 a.m. on a Friday and close at 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. So you want to be sure that you're logging in, and you're going to go, when you log in, you're going to go to your table of contents here and click on Test and Quizzes. And then take the exam. So don't forget to take the exam. You have been given a study guide. You're going to have 5 essay questions and it's going to pull from a random draw of 40 of these topics here. So you want to be sure that you can speak or write on these topics. Okay. But I wanted to kind of help you with your next kind of big assignment that you have. It's a research poster project. So essentially what I want you to do is this. This is how you'll get started on it. I want you to go to miamioh.edu, and here I want you to do a search for library. Click on the library link, and you're going to come up with a research idea or research topic. And I'm actually going to post a discussion forum, and I would like for you to post your research idea in that forum. But here you're going to go, you can click articles or more, or you can click Google Scholar, and then you click on databases. I'm going to just wait a second until it loads. Let's try to click it again. Well, it's taking forever. Let's click on articles and more. Okay, if it doesn't load, typically what I do is I go back and redo it. So let's just give it a second for it to load. We'll click on articles and more, and then you click on databases. And I'm just going to leave it there until it loads. So I hope y'all had a great weekend and your semester's going good so far. Why isn't this loading? Let's see here. Let's try it again. All right, great. I just clicked on the link that said databases. Go in here and kind of click Academic Search Complete. And then from here, you click Choose Databases. And you want to click Select All and click OK. And so what I want you to do your research poster on is any type of business topic. So let's just say you wanted to do it on social media and As you can see, when you put in social media, it actually gives you some, kind of some topics that you can choose. This isn't all of them. I didn't want to do that. Hang on a second. It's going to go ahead and load. Okay, so we did a search. Typically, it's better to put it in quotes. And then you always want to put something in this field. I would choose either all text And that just means that somewhere in the article, the phrase social media and advertising is in there. If you click title, then somewhere in the title of the article, that's in there. So go ahead and we're going to put title and see what comes up. We had 7 articles. You want to click full text, because this way it'll give you the full article either in PDF form or HTML. You can also change, if you want the most recent ones, you can also filter it like that as well. So you want to have at least from like 2010 to 2015, because this right here will go all the way back to the 70s or 80s. So here you have 5 articles. For your poster, I want you to pick 3 articles on any business topic, and keep in mind that an abstract is just a summary of an article. So like if you didn't want to read this whole article, you could just read the abstract and it would tell you what this article was about. So you want to find 3 articles on a research topic or idea that you have, that you want to learn more about. All right, now let's go back to the actual assignment. What you want to do is you're going to click on that link where it says templates. It's in your instructions. And you're going to use this template. I prefer you use this one. And you click here where it says PowerPoint. Don't use this ODG one. Use the PPT PowerPoint. Let's find it. And from here, you're going to build your poster. So you want to exit out of that. And then you're just going to fill in your poster like this. So you can have a title and you could say something. If you wanted to do social media and advertising, and then you would put your name. The address, you can just put Miami University. And then I'm just going to put my name. I'll just make up a name. Betty Miller. So that's how you would start building it in. The areas I want you to kind of, you need an introduction area, and in your introduction area, you're just going to be introducing your research topic. You can look at it as kind of a summary of what you learned and found by reading the 3 articles. Here you're going to put, like, instead of it saying like literature, you could do something like references, or if you want to refer to it as works cited, or bibliography. But I would like for it to be in, like the correct APA format for writing up a bibliography. And I'll give you a couple of resources on that. I want you to have a conclusion section, and in this section you can kind of blend in your own opinion about what you found out about your research topic, and you can give your opinion on like things that you would have liked to have seen or read about when you did your research on this topic area, or you can give some suggestions for future research studies, or you can just kind of do like a wrap up of what you found out. Materials and methods, you'll probably want to change that title, and just like for these sections, you can come up with any themes that you found in the 3 articles. So just say there was like social media and advertising, and there was a lot of information on, like Facebook, like media or something. You might want to have a section there, and then pull out some information to fill in this block from all 3 of your articles that you can fill in that section. Here you may want to have another section that again is like one of the themes that you found in all of your 3 articles. Maybe there was something about Twitter feeds or something like that. I know that's kind of small, but so you have to like kind of work with your poster. You could also have a different, like if you wanted to move your bibliography over here and then have these two boxes to have some other underlying themes, and then not have a, a further information. You really don't need that section, and you really don't need an acknowledgement section. So again, you can move your bibliography like here, and then this could be some more information that you could talk about what you found on this research topic. So again, just kind of go over, you want your research topic or idea up here as your title, your name, the university, have an introduction box, and then fill in, like you could probably do, as I mentioned, you could probably do like your bibliography over here, because I would like for you to have at least 3 articles, and then all of this, you could use this guy as a guideline actually to see how to, write up a big bibliography or a citation. Oops. But then again, and then, you could even maybe have your conclusion section here as well. If you wanted to bring that down here, I was going to make it bigger. Something like that. And then this could all be like, you could come up with like 3 or 4 underlying themes that you found out of your articles. And then fill in these boxes like that. So, I know some of the fonts bigger than others. You want to have them maintain the font size as best you can. So once you get it, you definitely want to, save it to PDF. So once you have filled in your poster, you would just go to Save As. And then, you could do it to like PDF, that type of thing, and then you would save it. I'm going to hit cancel. But then let's go back to the instructions. And then what I want you to do then is that you're actually going to take your template and go to a Kinko's. And I just got off the phone with Kinko's today, and it's only going to cost you around $5 to do this. But once you save that template to PDF, you go into a Kinko's, and there's some in the area. And if, I've given you, if you're not sure where to find one that's close by, you click on kinkos.com, and you can just do a search for locations. And you can put in a zip code. I'm going to just put in the Hamilton zip code. And so you would want to go to one that has like a print and ship type of place. So you see there's one in Westchester, there's one in Hamilton. So you want to go in there, you want to save your PDF template once you complete it. And I've given you an example of kind of like one that I've done. It's going to open really big, but it gives you an idea of what you want it to look like. Let's see here. That's not it. Hang on, y'all. Let me double check that. Since I'm doing the screencast, it's kind of weird to how to get things. All right, hang on. I think the example I gave you was not the one that you need. It's another one. So I will upload the correct one, but it shows you a completed poster and gives you an idea of one that I did at a conference in San Diego. But once you have got your template done, and I'll upload that correct example for you soon. But once all you do is you go into Kinko's and tell them, hey, right here, I want to print this PowerPoint poster template on bond paper, and I need it to be 24 inches by 36 inches. So they will actually print your template on a sheet of paper. They're going to ask you, do you want it mounted? Do you want it laminated? And just tell them no. And it should cost about $4.80. And then I want you to give a video presentation of your poster. You can maybe tape it on the wall somewhere or thumbtack it up, and then have someone video you giving your presentation using your poster that you created on the research topic that you have an interest in. And you will need to send that. Actually, I've given you if you're able to, this is a tricky part. You can either do it on your phone or have someone do it on your phone, but you have to get your attachment through this assignments to area. If you go to the YouTube cam right here, if you go to the YouTube cam, well, let me show you another way that you can do it. It's just Google YouTube cam. That's not doing right. Let's see here. Hang on. YouTube video. Hang on. YouTube. My YouTube cam. That is so weird because it goes right to it every time I've ever wanted to do it. But hang on one second. We'll go into it this way. This is what you want to see from the YouTube cam. And from there you would, start recording. Once you click on, you would need to click allow. And then there I am. So at this point, you would want to kind of record yourself with your poster presentation. You may want to just kind of hold it up and show, hey, I did it. And or if you can get it to where you're standing up and you're somewhere and you're standing up and it's in the background, you can do it like that. So when you go to stop recording, you'll click continue. And then from here you'll need to give it a title. So you could do like research video, and you want to click save changes. And then once you click save changes, you want to click on your videos right here. So you'll click videos, and then you will see there it is. It's webcam March 2nd. So all you have to do at that point is get, there's me. All you have to do at that point is click there and then click share. And then you would just copy and paste your link. But what I would like for you to do is to actually make a hyperlink. So don't just copy and paste your link in like that. Don't do that because it's not going to be active. You want to click there, you want to put it in like that and click OK, and then send it to me that way. Okay? Alright, you have your grading rubric. So I just wanted to kind of show you how to do that, and hope you have a lot of fun with that, and I look forward to seeing your video research presentations on that. And remember, that is due April the 26th by 11:59 p.m. Have a great rest of your day.